Ahoy there! Captain Kenny from Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. I've got my cap, I've got my brand new life jacket, I've got my paddle. I don't quite know what you use these things for. We love doing boats, and we have the craftsmen to do them. We do carpet, we do tile, we do luxury vinyl plank, glued down in galleys. There isn't anything we don't do. So whether you're getting your ship spruced up or you're a ship captain with a mega yacht and trying to get everything prepared for a sail to the Caribbean, we can give you the best craftsmanship in the floor covering industry. So when you think about boat flooring, think about us. Island Carpet, Tile, and Hardwoods.